Uline's H7191 Edge Protector Cutter trims paperboard edge protectors to the exact length needed. With safety shields on both sides of the cutting blade, the Edge Protector Cutter is a safe alternative to manual cutting. Sharp stainless steel blades last up to 5,000 cuts and cut edge protectors cleanly with one press of the handle. With the ability to cut edge protectors to the exact sizes you need, you can reduce inventory and save time. The H7191 Edge Protector Cutter cuts any edge protector at least 2 inches long and up to 3 by 3 inches and 0.225 thick, and it's easy to set up and use. Prior to first use, the handle must be adjusted to the correct position. Using a screwdriver and Allen wrench, loosen the screw and turn the handle 180 degrees and retighten the screw. Press the handle down and pull the safety pin out. The cutter is now ready for use. After marking the length of the edge protector you need, insert it into the slot with the handle up. Press the handle down to cut. When you're done cutting the edge protectors, press the handle down and insert the safety pin to prevent handle movement. The H7191 Edge Protector Cutter includes one set of replacement blades and one replacement cutting board, and it can be bolted or clamped to a table using the pre-drilled holes or base wings. The unit also features a convenient holder for storing rulers, pens, and other tools. Uline's Edge Protector Cutter is in stock and ready for immediate delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your packing and shipping needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.